When you're meeting someone new, English conversation follows a pattern recognition game. If you catch the first word of the question, you already have the last word of your answer. We can see this in the formula for states of being, the to-be verbs. If we ask our test subject, Anna, "Are you happy?" the response is, "Yes, I am." The question starts with the helper verb, and the answer ends with it. The rule holds for negative answers too. Even when the answer is, "No, I'm not," the underlying framework remains the same. By listening for the helper verb at the start of a sentence, you can identify the required grammatical structure for your reply without needing to memorize every conjugation. While to be describes how you feel, we need another tool for daily routines and habits. This split screen shifts from internal states to external actions using do. Do you cook dinner? Maps to yes, I do, anchoring both ends. Beginners often mix these, accidentally answering, "Do you have a car?" with "Yes, I am." You can avoid this trap by taking a deliberate pause to isolate the very first word your partner speaks. If the question starts with do, your answer must stay on that path. Separating these two paths allows a beginner to respond to basic questions without pausing to calculate conjugation rules. Most conversations move towards specific details once the basic facts are established. By dropping a what question word in front of existing formulas, we ask for specific details using the same grammar. These map to categories. Where is a location pin? What time is a clock? And who is a person? We are going to test this now. Prepare to answer the next 3 questions out loud using the matching rule. Listen for the first word. 1. Are you busy now? 2. Do you live in a city? 3. Can you speak English? The answers: yes, I am. Yes, I do. Yes, I can. Prove the first word structural anchor guarantees a matched response. The final layer involves shifting the subject from you to a third party. When asking about a family member, do morphs into does, and are becomes is. Let's use all these structures together to build a complete profile of Anna. What is your name? My name is Anna. What time do you start work? I start at 9 a.m. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a cat. This table summarizes the 3 distinct paths. Column 1 tracks identity, column 2 handles habits, and column 3 covers abilities. Approaching English as a logical matching game provides a reliable framework for handling the basics of every